Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out this video. I am trying on a new wig today. This video is done in collaboration with I Like Hair, one of my favorite hair companies. I worked with them for a very long time now. This wig is currently a bestseller on I Like Hair's website, but before I get into all of the details and the specifics of this wig, I do want to quickly show y'all what comes in the package. Provided along with the wig is a mini wig install kit, which includes a set of stocking caps for your wig, a rat tail comb, a custom bag to store all of your wig accessories, which include a custom edge band from I Like Hair, an edge brush and comb, some hair clips, and then a custom hairpin that says I Like. My wig prep for my glueless wigs is pretty simple. I basically just slick my hair back and throw on a stocking cap. For glueless wigs, I really like to keep it as simple as possible. That way I can just throw my wigs on and go. Now, this wig is pretty popular on the website because this style itself has actually become very trendy. This is the Wear and Go designer layered wavy with curtain bangs 4x4 lace closure human hair wig. This unit has raw hair with 180% density and a glueless cap construction. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, an adjustable strap, and an adjustable elastic band. It has a 4x4 Swiss lace closure, which comes pre-plucked, pre-parted, and pre-cut with a zigzag hairline. This wig comes in 6 different lengths: 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. The wig that I am trying on this video is in the 20 inch. And what makes this wig more favorable than other wigs are the layers. This wig comes with curtain bangs in the front, and throughout the entire wig it is layered, and it has the most beautiful layers and it curls very well. It also comes pre-curled, and with these pre-cut layers and the curls, I really think this wig would be flattering for most women. Now, this wig is glueless, so I did not install this wig with any glue. I did tighten the elastic band as tight as it can go, along with the adjustable straps in the back. I do have a bit of a small head, so I like my straps to be pretty tight. I also used all 3 combs in the wig to help it stay pretty secure. I also added a bit of foundation to the lace before installing to make sure that the lace blended in with my skin. And this is how it looks my first time trying it on straight out of the box. I did play around with it for a while, but honestly, I just was not satisfied with the way that the curls were. And I don't think that's any fault to I Like Hair. I haven't had a wig yet that's been messed up. I noticed that my package had a couple of dents in it, so I think the wig may have gotten messed up a little bit during shipping. Like, I noticed some of the curls look like they had been smushed or flattened a little bit, but that wasn't a problem to me because that's a quick and easy fix. But I wanted to give y'all a side-by-side comparison of what the curls look like straight out of the box versus when I went and touched them up. But let me mention that this isn't necessary to wear this wig. You can wear it straight out of the box, the way it comes pre-curled and styled. I wanted to make sure that I showed y'all the full potential of this wig, so I decided to recurl the wig and make sure that the curls were nice and neat and perfect because I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I used a 1/2 inch curling iron and I curled the hair pretty much in the same curling pattern that it came in. I noticed majority of the curls were curled under and away from the face, so that's pretty much how I decided to curl the hair. And I hope that makes sense. It is kind of hard to explain how to curl hair because there's so many different ways that you can flip the wrist, but I made sure to include some footage so y'all can see exactly how I curled it. While you're watching me recurl this wig, let me mention my experience with styling it myself. First of all, this hair is so freaking soft. Like, the hair is so soft that there were actually several times that it kept slipping out of the curling iron because it was just so freaking soft. It was also very easy to curl. It holds curl very well. I curled it on 390, so I didn't use high heat, super high heat. I didn't want to accidentally damage the hair, you know. And I also haven't noticed any issues with tangling. Now, I do want to mention that I have noticed quite a bit of shedding, but it's not like hair falling out. I think the shedding is coming from the ends, possibly from when they cut the layers and maybe they didn't get all of the cut hair out, because that's what it looks like when I comb and I see like really short pieces of hair. It looks like cut hair. That makes sense? So maybe I shouldn't say that the hair is shedding. It's more like there's a lot of extra cut hair within the wig. But once I brushed it a couple of times, I stopped noticing the little hairs being everywhere. But yeah, curls are done, and it didn't take me that long. It only took me a few minutes. I'd say maybe about 15-20 minutes to recurl. I did use the elastic edge band to lay the lace down, make sure it was nice and flat on my forehead. But don't worry, there is no glue. This is still a glueless install. I just wanted to make sure that that lace was flat and it wasn't lifted. And this is the hair from the back. Again, I do have this unit in 20 inches. It's 20 inches cut into layers. And I decided to separate the curls using my fingers instead of a comb or a brush because I didn't want them to get too separated. I still wanted them to look nice and uniform. And these curls are everything. They are a little tight, but that's okay. I like it that way. That just means that I won't have to curl it for a while because they'll just drop over time and they'll give me this really nice, like, romantic body wave look, and I'm totally okay with that. But as is, it's giving 70s realness. I absolutely love these layers, and I can see why they are so popular and trendy right now. I couldn't put my finger on it at first who this hairstyle reminded me of, but I looked it up and it's definitely giving Farrah Fawcett. Like, layers, fringe, bangs, volume, curl, body, all of that. I'm getting all of that from this wig. And the lace is melted as it should be. I have absolutely no complaints with the lace. They did an amazing job plucking and parting the hairline. It looks so natural and realistic. I honestly don't have anything to complain about with this wig, and I really love the cut. I think the layers are so flattering on me. So flattering on me, and honestly they'll be so flattering on a lot of other women. But I'm done rambling. The rest of this video was pretty much just me playing in this wig and admiring myself. So, you know, if you feel like watching the rest of that, go ahead. I appreciate it. Thank you. And thank you for taking the time to listen to me give you my spiel on this hair and this company. ILIKEHAIR always does an amazing job with their wigs. I have yet to be disappointed. If you're interested in seeing some of the other wigs that I have tried from ILIKEHAIR, definitely go and head over to my YouTube channel. I have a whole playlist full of wigs that I have tried. Majority of them are from ILIKEHAIR, so definitely go check that out. And if you want to know more about this wig or you're interested in purchasing it, I will definitely leave all of the information down in the description box below. There will be a direct link along with some more information about ILIKEHAIR, so make sure you go and look in the description box. That way you can get all of the information. And if I miss anything, feel free to comment down below and ask me a question. I'll try to get back as quick as I can. But once again, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed creating it. And if you really like this type of content, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of other videos on my channel similar to this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. It's a great way to help my videos get more visibility and reach the people that they need. And it also helps me get better opportunities like this one in the future. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video.
I knew you fit my shoe. Wangone wewe tu, my baby.